first of all, if you don't know anything about shares, लेके सिर्फ रखो मत. In real life also, I have taken a lot of shares. पता नहीं उसका क्या करूँगी, but let's see. Second, patience. Yes, patience and calmness we need to have so that I could stick end तक. And yes, about passive income. That was something I learned here. I would say newly. I did knew about this, but never pay attention on it rather. So what I understood, if I have to come out of this rat race, I don't have to wait for my income. My passive income has to work for me. That is something I learned new over here, and I will work on that. So earning how much may not matter, but I will invest accordingly, which will give me a passive income. So that was a major learning for me.
Brilliant.